Hey guys, I wanted to show you a couple of the campgrounds, and this is one of my favorites. It's not right on the water, but it gives you this feel of being in a, well, like it says, forest. It's called Duke's Forest Campground on Lake Murray, and I'll take you a quick little drive through and try not to disturb any of the campers when I campground. And they have electric. I am not sure about sewer. I know they have probably a disposal, but as most do, but it is one of my favorites because it's never real big, but they're nice enough to put signs up to tell you when there are campsites available. And I don't know that they take reservations. You're not supposed to like go out, send a local out and put like a tent down, and then come like 2 days later. But here's a tent area, $14 a night. I tried to stop. I went through Elephant Rock and Campground, and I was trying to do some vlogging in there, and I hated my film, so I didn't use it. I don't know, I guess that's a soccer field. Let's have some soccer games. Let's see what it says. And it doesn't say anything other than the obvious. But there's nice little places just to pull in. And turn off my AC so it's not so loud. Forgot about that. Nice little areas to pull in between sites. There's one. And there's water. Let's see if there's, electric. Yep. I see it. See it in this one anyways. There's a kind of a pull through, guys. For those with bigger, there you go. You got electric and water. You know, I love primitive camping, but I do also love having an AC to get into when you're out on the lake or just camp. Because like this week it's it's over 100 every day, 106, 107, and so look at all these empty spots, man. Y'all could be out here camping. But I like Duke's Forest. You don't have a lake view, but you can hike down to the lake. I went on a trail once. It winds around and around and around, and but you can't get down there. But I like this. It makes you feel like you're out in a national park forest or something. But look at all these nice places, guys. Man, it's almost deserted. 4th of July was packed, and I hate to, like I said, I hate to film when people are out in their swimsuits and trying to enjoy without being put on YouTube. But so I try to avoid that. I try to be respectful of that. I couldn't believe I couldn't get anything good of the next campground is, I'm going to zoom across my dirty windshield. There's the bathroom, and then you got trash dump, but I couldn't get any good footage of Elephant Rock. But there's a big rock out in the water. Doesn't look like an elephant to me, but it's got 3 campgrounds in it: Cedar Grove, Tips Point, and then Elephant Rock. And Elephant Rock has the pull-throughs. Cedar Grove has more secluded, like some of these. There's a nice pavilion. You can have a family get-together or something like that. But here's these are like perfect for like a small one of those light trailers, or look at these pads, are perfect, easy to pull into, electric, all that, man. Tent trailers is like tent trailer haven through here. And anyway, I couldn't get any good footage, so I'll have to go back another day. Cost $5 to dry foot. That campground there, like I mentioned, is gated, and so you can't, it closes at 11 and opens back up at 7. And you, of course you can get out if you have an emergency or something like that. They do like the old drive-through theaters. They have those tire buster grates that they put up. But anyway, this is Duke's Forest, and if you don't want to be right on the water or have a view of the water, this is going to be perfect for you. And it, you know, I love it in the fall. This place is just gorgeous in the fall, but you know, you kind of, in a lot of them, you have a little privacy, and that's all about. I'm gonna skip this family up here who's enjoying they're like the only ones in the campground. But anyway, Duke's Forest, guys, come out and check it out. Bye.